As you all know, Google has launched its new Google Pixel series, Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Inside these two phones, not much as difference except the price. And before we get into the video, I would like to thank you guys for 100 subscribers. It means a lot. Now, back to the video. The phone is an updated version of Pixel 6, while the design side have minor changes as you can see in a single second. The rear camera design has changed. Now they are using aluminium instead of making rear setup from glass. First of all, inside the box what we get? It's our phone, a user manual, a data cable and a dongle. So you can easily transfer your old phone data to it and that's it. Literally every company is going on the Apple way in charger side. Similarly, if we look at the side of the phone, then we see its glory. It is far more beautiful than the Pixel 6 back camera setup this time, directly connected to the frame instead of cut between them, which is very beautiful to look at. And the side rails come in matte finish except the Pixel 7 Pro. It comes with a shiny surface, both front and back, made of glass except side railing and rear camera setup. Both phones have good display, but the Pro have some advantages which is not inside the 7. As 120Hz instead of 90Hz, the peak brightness is 1500 nits instead of 1400 nits, 1440 panel rather than 1080p. But overall, Pixel 7 is not a bad option. The panel of 90Hz plus 1080p panel is also a very solid option, more within its price range. And lastly, the panel of both mobile phones support HDR10+. Also, always on display is present inside it. And talking about the internals, I would say that internals of Google Pixel does not matter that much because Google is a company that makes its own software. Just like Apple, internals does not matter until the phone is latest. Also in Google scenario, we see Pixel phones with bad hardware also giving very good results. Number scores can't justify this phone, but for the sake of the knowledge, like the previous Pixel, Google has installed its own very first processor named Tensor, and this time they install an updated version of this one, Tensor G2. But this time they really worked on this processor and now it's quite reliable, due to which the battery has also increased. There are many issues inside the Pixel 6 which they have fixed inside this phone, and like a good company they have learned from their mistakes. 8 gigs of RAM installed in Google Pixel 7, while the Pixel 7 Pro has two options, 8 and 12, with UFS 3.1 for both. The battery compartment isn't that great, but it's quite good. 4355 mAh battery is installed in the 7, while the Pixel 7 Pro has 5000 mAh battery inside it. These phones can do 50% charging in just 30 minutes as advertised. Talk about the last topic. So the camera is one such topic. Google camera pictures lead in all mobile world. Even Apple can't capture as good photos Pixel captures. Just like inside Apple devices, we do not ask how many pixels of their cameras are, because their output are so amazing that their pixel does not matter. Similarly, if we look at the old Pixels, then despite having a bad hardware, their software customization is so amazing that they added the picture in a very good way. Dual camera setup is available for Pixel 7, 50 megapixel main and 12 megapixel ultra wide, while the Pixel 7 Pro has 50 megapixel main, 48 megapixel telescope camera and then 12 megapixel ultra wide, means triple camera setup. But as far as front is concerned, here they done it with a weird number, 10.8 megapixel single selfie camera, while the quality of the camera is also very good as far as I have done some research. So if there is device a value for money, then it would be a Pixel 7. Although Pixel 7 Pro is a complete pack inside which everything is available, but for a normal day-to-day usage, Pixel 7 is enough. And let me tell you one thing, I'm not a gamer and I prefer these phones because they are good in normal day-to-day usage, so keep it in your mind. These phones are not made for gaming. More good options for gaming are available in the market in less price. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it, and if you do a like and subscribe to the channel, and tell me what you think about this phone in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.